I'm doing sticky toffee pudding, right? What I'm doing is I put one egg at a time. So there's sugar, dark brown sugar, and dark brown sugar, and butter. And I put one egg, just like an ordinary sponge you're making, but you knew that was ordinary sugar. Now I put in the egg. Now, in there, I'm going to put my delicious Nelson Massey. I love this vanilla. I love that vanilla taste. I really do. It's so easy to. So all you do now.
Fun? Isn't it fun when cooking and even baking can be so easy? How wonderful.
Exactly. Now I'm going to put in, before I just do that, some baking. I'm putting some baking soda, bicarb soda. Hang on. Let me just do this. Into my dates. Here I have 200 grams of dates, which I put in about 300 mils of water, put the bicarb soda in, and then mix it up. It's still a bit warm, which is what I want. And before I know it, I can mix everything up together.
And we'll put up the American equivalent on our website in case you got a bit lost there. But Rosemary was just saying, all you have to do is dump it in a pot and cook it all together, and it's fine. It'll work out.
It's finished.
There you go.
I told you it was easy. A sticky toffee pudding. You put it into this dish here, which I've got. Okay. I buttered it. I put some little bit of greaseproof paper on the base. I should do it the other way around. There we are. Now.
No, a little parchment, a little grease. Fine. Great.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Still with you.
Now, what you do is you pop it into the oven at 170 Celsius.
Right, 350, 365, something like that.
Exactly. Yes. So we pop this in the oven for 45 minutes. Woohoo! Here we go.
I love you so much, Rosemary.
What do you have with it? I've got here a wonderful thick. You can see that. Look how thick that is.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Brown sugar. It is. And I'm going to put brown sugar, butter, and I'm now putting some cream into it to just loosen it off here. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to heat this up a tiny bit, but the thing is just melt it down a little bit because it's a little bit too. Now, what I've done is I have got one ready. A traditional sticky toffee pudding is actually one that comes out of the oven in that bowl, in the dish, and you put the caramel on the top, and then you grill it till it bubbles. I don't like that. For me, I don't want that. I like to take my lovely sponge, and it is so light. This is the sponge. Look at it. Now, you can cut. This will do. I mean, it depends what portion you want. My family love their food.
Oh, yes. Well, my family does too. My sister is the baker, and my mom worked in restaurants for 60 years, Rosemary.
No, Rachel.
We're all foodies, and there's no small portion in our home.
No, do you know what? That is music to my ears. Music to my
ears and eyes.
Yes. No, ears and eyes. You eat with your eyes. You eat with your eyes.
People can eat with their eyes for you. Because you give cooking classes that people can take online, right?
Oh my gosh, thank you, Rachel. I love your plugging. I actually do cooking classes on the first Tuesday of every month. I have people from America, from Canada, from Australia. People, it's quite amazing. I love it. I do it for 1 hour. I'll tell you how it came about, Rachel. What I did was I did about a few weeks with Lavoie, who's a drag artist, and we made people laugh. We had great fun.
Amazing.
Then I thought, hang on, I'm going to keep this going. It is such fun. Now, what I've done is put the sponge. Obviously, it would still be warm. And all I do is I'm going to put, Martin, can you get me a jug or something? Because I think it's easier. Oh, no, let me just pour it. Oh my God, just pour it on. And you know, it's the sauce that makes it. So basically, oh my God.